Hello, hope you can hear me. Can you hear me? Yeah, great, thank you. Hi, I'm Gary Ling, I'm from Massive Analytic, and we're looking for some European partners to help deploy our artificial intelligence capability, looking for investors and partners. We are also representing City Logic here today. I've got a presentation on them this afternoon. Effectively talking about responsible AI, we can see already that there are three different spheres of AI developing. You've got the Chinese development of AI, which is, many people will know, is being deployed with very few regulations, so is actually pushing them in the lead. You've got your own President Macron, who's piped up about the dangers to democracy, and then of course you've got the American model where they're leading already, even though the administration may not necessarily recognize it. So as far as we're concerned, one of the best books, if you want to understand AI, is this one. You can actually get it on Amazon. And at the moment, a lot of AI is about prediction. And if we can solve the prediction problem, then clearly, in terms of helping to develop strategies or to increase productivity, that is a big deal. You know, you'll see on your phones, if you have someone, if you try a number, it will suggest who that person may be, even, for example, if you haven't put them in your contacts. Okay? But the next stage for AI is precognition. Artificial precognition. Artificial precognition is about the almost extrasensory perception that you get that something is going to happen. Okay? It's like seeing a point in the future. And the way that that is developing is through very sophisticated mathematics. And we've had a lot of backing from Innovate UK, which is the government body which supports small businesses. In America, they have the military-industrial complex. In the UK, we have Innovate UK to support small businesses. So precognition, particularly around non-Gaussianity, the algebra, is going to be very big. And that's what we're about. I don't know what's happened to my... Who could have predicted that my slide would be completely lost? So we have in Massive Analytic, we have three products. We have Oscar, which is a data science product. And what that does is it helps data scientists, because there aren't enough of them in the world, to democratize the interrogation of data throughout an organization. Nethra is about video analytics. And if you come and see me on my pitch stand, I'm stuck way at the back, right down the bottom. I can show you some of the video analytics stuff that we've got. And we're also developing AI on a chip with car makers, because gigabytes, terabytes of data a day are being developed by EV, by electronic vehicles, and so on. So that is basically what we're about. We're also into smart cities, and this afternoon I'll be saying a little bit about the use of anonymized mobile phone data. So we're about artificial intelligence. We're trying to look for partners and investors in Europe, which would be very useful. And while we're talking about Europe, if I could just mention this particular thing, which is Brexit. Now, those of you who may understand that ostracizing the UK in the Brexit negotiations, such as your hardline President Macron, is not a good idea. Because in talking about responsible web, we all want to be in this together. So all I'm saying to you is, if you're not interested in AI, if you're not interested in smart cities, you some love on my stand. But we want to do business with you even after we leave the European Union. So come visit me and learn more about Massive Analytic, City Logic, and artificial intelligence.